Hey guys, Zakk here from MixChecks.com. Welcome back to another free mixing course / live mixing session video. Again, we're only using Logic's stock plugins for this song, and the song is Empires by Radionaut. You can get more information about them in the description below. Today, we are mixing the synth section. So there's about 4 or 5 different synth tracks in this song. It's a rock song, but it does have some synth layers, and we are just going to focus on mixing those with only Logic's stock plugins. So let's jump right in. Okay, moving into the synths, and I think I may have put these out of order. I didn't realize that these SFX were mostly just vocal effects, so we're gonna move our synths higher. And this is just to keep things in the order that we're actually mixing it. And then I'm actually going to put my vocals before the effects too. Okay. On to the synths. I'm actually just going to hide this guitar wah just so we don't think about it for right now. Synth keys. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Nothing special on this one. Just gonna high pass it. And that's it. Then we'll just fade it in. And actually, since the volume's so low, I'm gonna gain it up real quick. There's multiple ways to do this. I'm just gonna put a gain plugin on here so I can remind myself that I did this. Still can barely hear it. Let's go to a softer part. Okay. Actually, now that I'm hearing it, I'm going to just a little cut up here. Okay. Just want to soften it up a little bit. Let's see what Synth Metal Back 1 is. Okay. This is going to be more like one of those layers that's there, but you don't really hear it. Kind of like a pop song where you have 200 tracks and you can't hear them all at the same time, but they're there. And on tracks like that, all I really do is I just type it. We'll see. Is that in here? Oh. Oh, it's just whenever I stop it. But yeah, so all I do is high pass just to make sure there's nothing crazy going on in the low end that would bother me later. Might do a little bit of 5 hundo. Okay. So this one definitely has some lows that I want to filter out so that they do not interfere with the bass. And this one I could see getting in the way of other things like the vocals, so I'm going to just cut a little notch up here for the vocals to sit. All right. Okay, that sounded a little funny, so on this one, I'm actually going to compress it to even out some of these peaks right here. Just stuff you gotta do as you hear it. Okay, so let's see where this actually happens. There we go. Cool. And then let's listen to the stereo image of these synths though. I'm gonna see what happens. Oh, dang it. I was about to go grab the Waves real ADT doubler to widen it up a little bit. Let me see if Logic has... I know it has something, but I just don't know if it's good or not. Where are you? Spreader. Wait, maybe it's under imaging. Stereo spread. Oh gosh. I know I've used this thing before. All right, we'll go with this. Let's see, just for fun though. Let's see what this what was that other one called? Spreader. Okay, almost no difference. You have to do this. Channel delay. Oh, maybe it just... Okay, that's almost doing nothing, so forget you, Logic, and whatever. I can't use my waves. All right. But now that I think about it, that other one did a little bit. Where did it go? So we'll do some stereo spread. Whoa. I feel like this one's messing with my brain. Okay. Yeah, we'll put that one on there. Let's see what this is. Synth pad comp stereo. Okay, same thing. See all these 200, 300 frequencies? We don't want those to mess with the bass. Cut out some room for the vocal. Okay, Synth Plux. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to pan this one a little bit. Okay, just layering it in. And then looks like the last synth track we have is this synth whistle, and it is only right here. So on this one, I'm actually just gonna shorten up this region. Let's see what it sounds like. I'm going to pan this one a little bit this way too. Do the standard, high pass. Gonna low pass this one too. Just kind of like dial it in where you know that where it's actually sitting, and then just kind of lock it in there with EQ so nothing crazy can happen to you. Okay, I think we got it in a pretty good place. I'm going to drop this down a few, just a little tiny nudge. Okay. And then next we're going to go and try to add some space to this mix to kind of glue all the different elements together. So that will happen in the next video. See you then.